Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the next video. So in this video we are going to see what is meant by glide record in ServiceNow. So if you are using the ServiceNow, then you might be interested in this stuff very often, because glide record will be used to access the information from the table without writing the complex queries. So in a normal way, if you are thinking like if you want to extract some information from a table, then you might need to write the SQL queries or maybe some other language queries. So depending on the language which you are using. But in ServiceNow, it has provided a best option. So you can write a JavaScript code and you can add a query there itself, and that to be very simplified way. So we need not to do lot of work on the writing queries and all. So it is very simple in ServiceNow, and complex queries are created by the ServiceNow itself. So the complete thing, whatever is covered, will be very useful. So please see the video completely. You will be getting complete idea on the glide record. All right, so to start with, I have already made a practice on this one, and this is how it will be looking like, the glide record or the glide record interface. Okay, so I will show you how to open all those things and all, but for now, just let me run this fix script. Okay, so I will say proceed, and you can see the output is coming over here. Okay, so basically if I just delete this thing, and let me just show you one example. Okay, so if I want to extract the results which are like this. Okay, so from the incident table I want to extract the category which is software. So I have uncommented that one. I will later explain what this thing is, but for now just I want to show you the output. So you can see here I'm getting some output. It says customer didn't receive efax, does not look at. Okay, so don't worry about this one. This is stored in this incident table, and from there we are getting the data, and from that data we are recording, or we are printing only the short description. So now in order to understand this whole thing, first you need to visit the incident table. So if I just say incidents. Okay, so if I just say incidents here, these are the self-service incidents. I can go to service desk incidents, and if I open just one of the incident. Okay, so here the one of the incident, what it is. So basically incident is the table name here. Okay, so incident is the table name, and these are all the different columns or fields which are present there. Number is there, open, short description, caller, priority, state, category, assignment group, assigned to. So if you just scroll horizontally, there is updated by. Okay, so these are all the things which are present in the incident table. So this is a system generated table which is given by the ServiceNow itself. Whenever you are creating the like instance, at that time only it will be created. Now if you are interested, like these are all the records which are present in the incident table. Now I just only want the records where the category is software. Okay, so category, you can see here inquiry or help, software is there, then hardware is also there. Now let me just filter out this. First I will show it in the table, then I will show it in the query, how to run a query and how to write the code as well. So I will just filter from here. So I will say category, category, category is software, and I will say run. Okay, now you can see only these many records are present where the category is software. So you can see here software, everything is software now, because we have filtered, we have applied one condition. Now so the same thing. Okay, so this I have done with the help of user interface. So the same thing can be done with the help of writing the query in GlideSoft. Okay, so how to do that one? Let me just start from the basic. Like I will come to the home page first. I will not show you anything. Okay, so this is the home page where you will be landing. Now what you need to do is just type here fix, and you can see fix script here. Just click on that. All right, so here I have already created. So you can see here glide records test one, these are created by me itself. Now I will show you how to do it from the scratch. So do it from the scratch, you need to click on this new here. So you can click on the new and something like this it will open. So you have to give the name for your fixed script now, or some name you have to give. So I will just give it some name. I will say ABC. Okay, so after that you need to write like like someone after your development, if someone is accessing this script, and if you want to give some note like what this script will be doing, or it is just like a comment whenever you are writing the code. Okay, you can write or you can leave that one. For me it's not important right now, so I will leave it. Okay, all right. So after this, so just to save the time, I have already written the codes and stored here. So I will just copy the code. I will explain one by one, don't worry. So here I will just paste. Okay, so the first line, where a record equal to new glide record and incident. What is this? This is basically we are creating the object of the table. So the record, it is rec. Okay, so this is user defined. I have given the name, you can give anything. After that, new, and glide record is the Java object or Java function which is given, which can be used in the JavaScript as well. Okay, so basically it is coming from the Java. Okay, you just need to write glide record, and after that you need to mention the table in which you want to access. So what it will be doing, it will be taking all the data INC. These are all the data records which are present in incident table. So all this data will be stored in the REC object. So this is how it will be first line. After that, you need to create a query. What you want to do exactly? So I will say on this object REC add query. So this is the syntax how you have to write. Okay, so just observe that, add query, and you need to pass two parameters here, so the field and the value. So for category, whenever it is software, okay, so I just want the records where category is equal to software. So as I have shown here, wherever there is a category which is equal to software, I just want those records. So you can write like this, single quotes, category is equal to software. And one more thing, so for getting these names, category, it is in small. So how can do that one? Just open one of the record. Okay, so you can see category, but this is label, this is not the system name. Okay, so to get the system name, you can right click on this one and it will show system name here, show and category. This is the system name and you have to use this one only. So outside you can see here it is written in uppercase, but it's actually in lowercase, and if you write uppercase you will not get results. So for everything, service offering, so if you just here service underscore offering is the system name, so you have to use this name only. So for anything, okay, channel, you can see here for channel it is contact type. Okay, so this is the contact type name for this one, and for impact it is impact only. Okay, so that's I want to just mention. Okay, after that, so as I've shown here, there are a lot of results in this incident table, and if thousands of results will be coming, then like probably your PC might hang. So the best thing is to set the limit. I don't want 1,000 results, just I'm checking this, and I can like I will just get even I can modify that. I just want 5 records. Okay, after that, this is very important line, fourth one. You have created the query here and you have set the limit on that one. Now whenever you want the result, you have to run that query. So here we are running the query. So on object rec, you have to write rec.query so that the query will run on that one. After that, this is post processing. It depends on you how you want to do. In this case, I just want to print the short description of the results which are coming. So while rec.next, I mean whenever there is a next element, so loop 3 all the elements in this object, and instead of gs.print you have to write here gs.info. gs stands for the glide system. Okay, and like we used to write system.print, right? So like this, here we have to write gs.info, right? And rec dot short description, you can see short description here from where it is coming. This is the short description, and if I open one of this, and okay, yeah, short description, here is the short description, and name for this is right click and you see here short underscore description. So the same name I have written here, short underscore description.